All right. Finally, we have the lip bin here. It's just a single piece. Fold over. There's a couple rivets in it. For this one, we're going to use female rivet and then the shortest male rivet that we have. First things first, these locks, make sure that you don't put a false score in them, or else they will not lock the way they're supposed to. So starting with the back of the bin, we're going to fold this up. This whole side comes up and then over. Fold this back flap down. These holes should line up all the way through. What I like to do at this point is just take these feed them through the back and push them straight through, and then tuck them back into the lock. We'll do that with the other side as well. Okay, and at this point, that flap's going to fold over and we'll put a rivet right here. Okay, this top is going to fold under. It's going to get 3 rivets, just like that. Okay, last but not least, these 2 small flaps, just fold them in. It's going to fold over and then lock behind.